Hey everyone, this is Kathir, UX designer. Today I'm going to talk about law of triviality, also called this bike setting. This principle distilled by C. Parkinson. It describes a phenomenon where people spend a relative large amount of time, energy, and other resources dealing with relatively minor issues. Example, a big team who engages in bike setting might spend more time discussing about ideas and creating plan for the construction of a small bike set compared to the construction of an advanced infrastructure facility. Because the bike set represents an issue that is easier for them to understand and handle. So now let's see how this law of triviality applies in user experience design. So we can see some of the stakeholders care more about color, design ornaments rather than defining well structured content, useful features, and intuitive design. And they may not care about real end user needs also. There are several ways the law of triviality happens in product design. Let me list down some here. So we involve more stakeholders, users, and spend more effort to solve small issues. Or some volunteer stakeholders involve themselves, and this might bring confusion in ideation and waste whole team effort for small requirement. So people can find it easier to focus on smaller problems than what's most significant. The consequence of wrong decisions for trivial issues would have a smaller impact than bigger. So bringing more people for a small problem, people can bring more subjective ideas and future suggestions, which will become challenging to crystallize the requirement and solutions for small problems. So this can make people feel less confident. As a consequence, people spend more time considering than necessary, feeling overwhelmed by the amount of information to process. This principle is useful to consider so the most important issues and ideas are prioritized during ideations. Suggestions and ideas can be gathered based on the significance of the task and how this will create impact in conversions. If a decision doesn't have a big impact in long term, it may be necessary to opt for one of the options and stop worrying about others. So, considering the law of triviality helps to bring efficient design solutions instead of creating too many design options and iterations for unnecessary subjective feedback. So finally, it will save resource utilization and the cost of product development, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment here. We'll see you next video.